What's up, guys? D-Town Pyro 214 here. We're gonna demo these Echoes in the Ears 5-inch cans by Winda. Go with a fiberglass tube. Nice solid tube. Plug. Pretty cool. Got some good weights. I've heard these are loud as fuck. We're gonna find out. So first shell is Brocade Crown. Second, number 2, TI Chrysanthemum. Red Wave with white strobe. Green Wave with crackle. Multi-color dahlias with white strobe. And Gold Willow to green with red strobe. So we're gonna put these in the gun. 1 through 6. Stay tuned. We got the Echoes in the Ear. 5-inch Winda Echo in the Ears. Here we go. Echo in the Ears. Echo in the Ears.